Welcome to my channel. I'm in coaching center. Today I'm going to explain your geography 11 chapter Indian natural disaster. So let's start the explanation. The meaning of natural disaster. Meaning of natural disaster. Let's know meaning of natural disaster. Disaster means the natural hazards. Means some problems done by nature. Natural hazards which creates a widespread destruction means which destroys a huge destruction, which causes a huge destruction, is called as natural disaster. It is called as natural disaster that cause some natural problems that cause a widespread destruction of human beings and properties of human properties is called as natural disaster. Natural disasters like disasters like earthquake, cyclones, floods and landslides, landslides and etc. are some natural disasters. Let's come to first topic, that is cyclones. So let's learn about cyclones. In cyclone, the wind blows. The wind blows. The wind blows spherically inwards in the high pressure area towards the center of pressure. So in center of pressure the wind blows and this causes to the cyclone. And there are two types of cyclone. Cyclone, tropical cyclone and temperate cyclone. So these are two types of cyclone. Tropical cyclone, there is high pressure. Cyclone, there is high pressure. There is high pressure, calm wind. Calm wind in there. Calm wind in the place of tropical cyclone. High temperature, not high pressure. High temperature, and calm wind or air. You can say. So in tropical cyclone there are high pressure and calm air. Let's learn about effects of cyclone. So let's learn about effect of cyclone. So it causes destruction of roads, destruction to transportation, and it spoils crops, damages the building, and it it may break the communication, it may break the communication and stop electric supply, it may stop current supply. So these are the effects. They may ask for 2 to 3 marks. So destruction distribution means where this may cause. It causes in Tamil Nadu. The cyclone causes in Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, in Andhra Pradesh, and it causes in Arabian Sea because of the cyclone is made in Arabian Sea. So in these places it causes destruction. So preventing measure, how can we stop preventing measures? So cyclones are natural. Natural phenomena means it is created by nature. Natural phenomena we cannot prevent it. We cannot stop it or prevent it. We can give warning. We can say to people that cyclone is coming. Cyclone is coming. In radios, we can say TV, we can say, so that they may shift to some other place. Create temporary shelters for them, so that if cyclone is there, temporary we can say temporary shelter for them. So these are the prevention measure we can take for cyclone. After cyclone, next is floods. So let's know about floods. Flood refers to the inundation of land by rivers means getting more rain by rivers and filling all rivers and filling all dams. By that we will get more water. That water dam or more filled, and that water will come to the land. By that we will get more floods. And by smelting of snow. Causes of flood, the main cause is melting of snow. So because of melting of snow, from there all the rivers will fill, and all the heavy rain and bursting of cloud means getting more rain, or some causes of floods. Natural causes of flood, man-made or deforestation, and faulty method of irrigation. If we did not make faulty method, if we did not make irrigation in correct way, it may cause to flood. Come to the effects of flood. So it causes loss to human life and property, human property. Damages the crops and vegetation. Etc. By that breakdown of communication and power system. So they may ask effects for 2 marks. So in all the things, the same is breakdown of power system, damage of crops and human life and property. In all flood, cyclone, or in next all topics, the effects are same only. Dislocation of transportation system. transportation system means the transportation system may stop. This is also same for all, for cyclone or floods, or for floods, or it may be landslide, for all three things. And for next things, these all the things are same, only effects are erosion. So soil erosion, because the as you know, soil erosion, that removal of top layer, so top layer of the soil get removed. So next is flood prone areas, means where we get flood prone areas, where does flood occurs more. River, in the river Ganga and Brahmaputra, river Ganga and Brahmaputra, the flood may occur in Punjab, where, because the river Ganga and Brahmaputra is near to Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Bihar, West Bengal. And in some more places it may cause flood. These Ganga, Ganga and Brahmaputra river causes flood in that place. And Satluj and Beans river, a river called Beans, causes flood in Jammu Kashmir. And some rivers causes flood in Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra. Krishna and Godavari river, Godavari and some other river causes flood in Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, and some other places it causes flood. So these are the flood prone zone, means where flood happens. To control floods, next topic is measures to control floods. So they may ask for 2 to 3 marks. Control floods: making afforestation, and growing more plants, and construction of dams, and storage of water, storing of river water, and flood warning. So they should give warning to people that flood is coming. It may happen flood, and they should make temporary shelters. They should make temporary shelters. To prevent them, to help them. So these are the measures they may take. So measures is also same. Measures is also a little bit same. So effect is same in all the things, but measures is also measures to control flood or anything they may ask. So the things are same to protect. They should give warning. They should create temporary shelter. They should give them food. They should give. They should provide. This is not in your textbook, but this, if you write, they make you marks because you. So the next topic is landslide. Landslide is our next topic. Landslide. So let's learn about landslide. So the sliding of land means the sliding of land in hills. or mountains. In some mountains, then if the landslide happen, then it is means the if some land falls, means if the sand falls, is called as landslide. If some land swipes because of mountain is like slope sliding, it will slide, then it is called as landslide. Natural forces means some landslides, how it happens. Landslides, so it happens heavy rainfall due to heavy rainfall and earthquake or some other things. The natural effects, natural causes also, natural causes and man-made causes are man-made means what are man-made problems for happening landslide are, they are deforestation and construction of roads, railways, construction of hydro power station, and construction of dams, and doing minings in that places. By doing mining only, they may cause for landslide. So these are hydropower. These are some man-made causes. So they may ask for 2 to 3 months in anything, floods, landslide, or in anything. They may ask causes and effects, how the effects, and what are the preventing measures in all the things like floods, cyclones, landslides, and in any next upcoming 2 topics, they may ask about the causes, effects, what are the causes, effects. They may ask anything. So don't forget to remember this chapter. Landslide, effects of landslide. So same effects. So it causes this stop of road railways. It stop transportation, and it harms and transportation. It causes harm to life and property, and it may destroy crops. Destroy crops. It may stop power supply. Power supply. This you can write the effects if they ask, and preventing measures. What are the measures to be taken to stop landslides, or means what are the measures we should take before landslides, or we should stop, we should shift the people, we should give warning, all things are same. We should give warning, we should make temporary shelter, and we should give them food. We should give food. We should send them to other safe place where they are far from landslide. We can take this much of preventing measures, and we can give them medical help. These are the preventive measures we can take for landslides. So this till here I will stop. I will continue the next topic in my next video. So till here you understand, I think so. If you have any doubt, put it on my comment and like my video or dislike or comment on my video. And if you want to have some doubt, put it on comment and subscribe my channel. I'm Coaching Center for more videos. So okay friends, bye. See you. Take care. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day, friends. Bye, friends.